It's basically a locomotive sports car. It's huge, it's fast. You can put 6 people in it, go 120 miles an hour all day long, and it's loud, and it's just pure fun.
Welcome to Double Clutch.
Hi, my name is Mark Hyman, and you are at Hyman Limited Classic Cars in St. Louis, Missouri. Hyman Limited is a company that has been in business 30 years, and what we do is we scour the world, and we try to find the best of the best in any particular category. We buy these cars, we take these cars on consignment, we bring them to St. Louis, and we sell them to collectors all over the world. We specialize in pre-war, both European and American, real high-end cars, and post-war European sports cars. We have roughly 200 cars in inventory at any given time. We sell about 200 to 250 cars a year. Of the 225 cars a year that we sell, probably 90% of those cars are bought sight unseen. So people will look on the cars at our website, they will call us, ask questions. We welcome and we invite people to come to the showroom and look at the cars. They're welcome to come see them, inspect them, and drive them. But surprisingly, only 10% of our customers do so. The common denominator of what we deal in is that I deal in cars that I love. And that's a wonderful thing, because if you're dealing in cars that you love, A, you tend to know more about them, but B, more importantly, you tend to deal with people that you have a common interest in. So many of the cars that are here are cars that I bought for myself with no plans to sell them, but eventually, they end up, you can only own so many cars if you're running a business. So eventually they do find a new home. But there is a handful of cars in the building that are my personal cars and that I just won't part with. So enough of this general talk about cars. Let's go look at some of my favorites. Some of the most beautiful cars ever built came out of France in the 1930s. This car is a 1939 Delahaye with custom coachwork by Figoni and Falaschi. It was bought new by a famous stage personality by the name of Madame Rexha, who not only did she have a 1939 Delahaye, but she owned her own DC-3 aircraft. So you know what kind of personality this is. I bought the car in Paris about 4 years ago. We did quite a bit of restoration on it. I've showed it at concours throughout the country. I've had it on rallies. It's one of the best driving Delahayes we've ever handled, and I love the car. At Hyman Limited, we've done a lot of Delahayes. In fact, we've put together 2 or 3 great collections of pre-war French coachwork. This Delahaye represents a really wonderful execution in that it's sexy, it's got flowing lines, but it tends to be a little bit on the more conservative side for pre-war Figoni coachwork. Some of Figoni's work was so wild and it looked like cartoons. So this is kind of a blend of a conservative car in Figoni's work. I'm sitting in or on one of my favorite cars, which is also one of my favorite car stories. This is a 1931 Bentley 8-Litre. About 15 years ago, I went to Ohio. I went to see this guy. He had about 50 phenomenal pre-war cars, Rolls-Royce, Bentleys, all kinds of crazy things. But by the end of the day, I had bought 40 amazing automobiles, and this was one of them. All the other cars got sold. The 8-Litre Bentley, I kept. And an 8-Litre Bentley is important because it was the biggest, baddest British car ever built. There was 100 of them made, about 78 of them still exist. They were giant cars capable of doing 100 miles an hour in 1931. They were enormously expensive to build, and in fact, were the car that put Bentley Motors out of business. I've toured it all over the United States. I've had it on the Colorado Grand, the Copper State, Bentley rallies overseas. To me, it's the epitome of an automobile. It's basically a locomotive sports car. It's huge, it's fast. You can put 6 people in it, go 120 miles an hour all day long, and it's loud, and it's just pure fun. Thanks for visiting, and I hope you enjoyed the cars. If you'd like to know more about the cars or about what Hyman Limited does, please visit us on our website or come see us in person.
Thanks for watching Double Clutch. Stay tuned for another great story in our next episode.